how does a potential client know they have a case for medical malpractice? And frankly, it's very difficult for the average layman to know whether they have a case. They suspect they have a case. They know they've got the injury. They know that there's been a delay. They know that there's a result that has been unsatisfactory. But is there a breach in the standard of care and did it cause those damages? Most potential clients, most people who feel they were injured by doctors and nurses really cannot on their own make that determination. It requires a great deal of expertise to understand what's called the breach in the standard of care. A bad result does not by itself mean that there was negligence. And in fact, most bad results are not due to negligence. But fortunately, a substantial number of them are. I think the only real way is to consult with a qualified attorney who has knowledge and experience in the medical malpractice area and let them review the case. They may need to consult with a doctor and the particular specialties involved to know whether there's been a breach in the standard of care. But I don't think that most potential cases, most potential clients can make that determination on their own. In addition, a bad result, frankly, what they think was the negligent act, it might not be the one that caused the damages. And so it really behooves that client. If client thinks that they may have a case, and I think they have an obligation to themselves and their family members to find a qualified attorney and investigate it. I don't know of any attorneys in my area who charge a client to review a case and conclude that there is no case, that it didn't meet the legal standards. So I think that every client who thinks they've been injured because of shoddy medical care, inadequate medical care, should seek out a qualified attorney who has a great deal of experience in the area of medical negligence. Once again, you have an obligation to yourself, to your spouse, to your children, to investigate it. Because they are going to suffer along with the client if there's been a severe adverse outcome. If you have a question on this area, if you want to just run the case by us, just give us a call. We'll be happy to listen and give you our honest opinions.